Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get tax clearance. First, understand what tax clearance means and why it's often required for various transactions. We'll then cover the essential documents you'll need to gather before starting the application process. This foundational step ensures you are well prepared for a smooth and efficient experience. Before applying, it's crucial to ensure all your tax filings are completely up to date. Next, settle any outstanding tax liabilities to avoid delays in your application. Finally, obtain the specific tax clearance forms from your relevant tax authority, as requirements can vary slightly. Now, carefully complete the specific tax clearance form, ensuring all information is accurate and legible. Attach all required supporting documents, such as proof of payment or prior filings. Once everything is prepared, submit your application to the designated tax agency, following their preferred submission method. After submission, actively monitor the status of your application through the tax authority's portal or contact channels. Be ready to respond promptly to any additional inquiries or requests for information they may have. Once approved, you will receive your official tax clearance certificate, completing the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.